currently after 1 in the morning and people can't sleep. Insomnia and I have this love-hate relationship. And honestly, one of these days, I'm going to find some suitable lyrics and drop a book on this Insomniac monster. Yeah. Anyways, how yous doing? I'm here and I'm having musings, Olympic musings. I'll be cheering for two countries this Olympics. Jamrock, of course, born and grown, but I'll also be cheering for the Bahamas as well. I have to represent the Bahamas. That's the first country I lived after I immigrated from Jamaica. And Antoine Andrews, the young Bahamian, competes in the 110 hurdles for men, is my past student. Yeah, I taught him in the fifth grade at the Great Gerald Cash Primary School. And then the ever humble Olympic champion, Mr. Parchment, will be going for his second gold. So I would love to see both in the finals, or even better, I'd love to see both of them on the podium. That would be awesome. Both countries actually have so much in common, aside from me, of course, which is pretty obvious. Yeah. But it boggles me with the number of events that the Olympics has. Both countries compete on a limited scale. Allow me to explain. Both islands are surrounded by water. Jamaica has the Caribbean Sea, and then the Bahamas has, I think, the Atlantic Ocean on one side and the Pacific Ocean on the other side. Inhabitants of both islands enjoy swimming and diving. Why do we have like one or two people competing in swimming and diving for us? I think Jamaica only has one diver, and he's male. That's Mr. Wisdom. And I think we entered one female swimmer, not diver. If I'm not mistaken, the Bahamas entered one swimmer as well, the young man from Grand Bahama. I don't recall seeing a diver. But if we pause to think, I'm wondering if there are strict measures when selecting people to represent the country, because both countries have fishing being done on a large scale. Fishermen are most times good swimmers and good divers. Are you trying to tell me that they can't be disciplined enough to represent their country at the Olympic level? There are talented youngsters in both countries. All them people there who always done a Rick's Cafe a chuck off of the cliff, a diving that. I remember one summer my sister took me to this blue hole in Westmoreland, and it was a 25 feet drop to the surface of the water below. If we can do that, those same guys who are there diving every day, couldn't these people represent us at the Olympics? And people, I'm asking this out of concern, not to tear down anyone or bash anyone. There is talent abounding in these countries, and we don't have enough representative, we could only have one or two swimmers or divers. The Bahamas is big on equestrian. Why do they not have a representative at the Olympics? Or do they? Because I don't recall seeing one. Jamaica had one at the last Olympics, and I don't think I saw any this Olympics. Bahamians are also very good at basketball. Why can't they not send a team? Volleyball too. I went to quite a few volleyball tournaments when I was there. Why aren't they contesting the volleyball tournaments at the Olympics? Why do we just concentrate on running track and, like I said, one or two people in swimming and diving? We may have one or two people doing like jumping. Why not try to expand on the activities we engage in? All right, people. We currently have a number of young men in Jamaica who have determined that they want to live by the GUN. And I'm doing this for fun right now. But can they not direct that same energy towards that particular event that requires that same tune at the Olympics? Or even if they don't qualify or they aren't allowed to compete, why can we not have people in our security forces competing? Isn't it allowed? I see some YouTubers online hunting wild animals and such with bows and arrows. Like, seriously, that's archery. You can't train yourself to go do archery and represent at the Olympics? I know I'm to them private school picnic, but them always I learn table tennis and badminton and swimming and them things there. Why the little spangy wearing you them from down a yard wherever I run from police and a jump fence? Yo, I jump that, you know. And if when I run and jump over things, that means I can't compete in the steeplechase. And them taxi man there, all the little youth them pan the youngers we always a try outrun the police. NASCAR racing, you go on the circuit. And I did me see one man on YouTube with a lass in her hand and the next youth with a niffy. Well, you know the wrong pronunciation, but YouTube and things so. But them couldn't go do fencing. We just a ask. Is it them youngsters there who love stone people mango tree? And them ghetto people they who love fight they one another fling like half a block. People, shot put, javelin. What you call the next one? Amateur. No, and a serious thing. And when you look up in them day at school and them a play karate, so they can't go do judo. You know say right now me feel as though me a waste my time cause me a talk and nobody not go listen to me. But on a serious level, people, just stop and think about it. We're multi-talented, you know, and we are waste it. You say me could have do all of them something there? Yeah, I don't represent my country. But you see, any day them have an event at the Olympics where people talk stuffishness, yeah, wanna make me know. Cause me think me gonna compete in another one day. I'm gonna see if we can get some rest because semi-finals female 100 at tomorrow. I'm gonna want to see Sasha Lee. I want to see the Turbo Twin. I'm gonna want to see Mommy Rocket. So, a little more.